Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to podcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual coma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get fact from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action. Hey, welcome to LIVEK Talk. So friends, in this video I will talk about a very common problem which is called lip sync out problem. Lip sync out problem. This problem also may be called is a sync out problem, audio sync out problem, audio video sync out problem. Actually it is the problem where audio video synchronization is not matched. This problem is called audio video sync out problem or lip sync out problem, whatever you called. Sometimes you have been noticed when you watching a news in a television set that audio goes faster than video. Actually the lip movement of the news reader is not matched with the audio. Audio goes faster, after that lip movement of the news reader, so it becomes very irritating. This problem is actually called lip sync out problem, audio video sync out problem, whatever you may be called. Okay, so in this case what will you do to get rid from this kind of problem? The easy solution to get rid from this problem is just restart your set-top box. After restarting, the problem of this kind of problem, audio video sync out problem or lip sync out problem, may be solved or may not be solved. I am coming this point later, but first of all you have to know that why this kind of problem occurred. Actually friends, you may be knowing that a video signal contains not only video informations, apart from that horizontal blanking pulse, vertical blanking pulse, audio channel in between video signals, others information. So video signal is very bulky than a audio signal, so it's naturally it takes more space, so it is quite natural the processing of this kind of video signal takes more time than a simple audio signal. So in this kind of problem occurs due to processing time takes more in case of video. When audio video signal passing through any device, in this device there is a processor which processes the audio video signal. So due to video signal is very bulky, so video processing time takes more time than audio signal. So audio goes faster and video lags, and then the problem arises. This problem is called lip sync out problem. Now come to the point, the restarting the set-top box to resolve the problem. If you restart the set-top box, you see the problem is resolved. Why? Because your set-top box maybe got older or running from a very long time, so the processor, the circuit which is responsible for the processing of the video and audio signal becomes weak. So when you restart, this circuit becomes refreshed and working fine, but after few times later the problem arises again. So problem is with your set-top box. But if you restart the set-top box, the problem does not resolve. That means your set-top box is working okay. The problem is with the TV station from where this program is being telecasted. So let's go inside the TV stations. What happened? There is a PCR, program control room, from where the program is produced. Is a kitchen of a news channel or television channel. So many kinds of video signals from camera, from outside, from others player coming to the video switcher, and the final output comes out from the switcher. Just like that, so many kinds of audio from lapel audio, from the anchors, it may be from player audio, playback audio comes into the audio mixer, and final audio comes out from the audio mixer. What happen after that? After that, video signal, audio signal separately passes through the so many kinds of gears, glues for conversion, distribution, etc., etc. And finally they got masked or embedded, audio and video mixed using a mixing device. And after that, output of the mixing device is got audio video merged, and this is the final TX ready for transmission. But if you check this signal, you must be noticed that their audio signal is faster, video is lagging. So lip sync out problem is from their side. So how do we get rid from this kind of situations? To get rid of this kind of situations, there is a device called audio delay device, audio delay unit. After mixing, the final output, final TX from the mixing device go to the audio delay unit, and from where you can adjust the audio as with video signal to match the lip sync or audio video synchronization, and then you have to telecast those signal after matching. But in this case I have told that audio goes faster, but there may be some situations where video goes faster. Suppose audio signal after coming out from final audio coming out from the audio mixer goes through so many kinds of device, the path is very long. In this case video signal goes faster, audio lagging. So in this case this problem can also be resolved using video delay unit, not audio delay. So in the next video I will show you a very nice product from Foray. It's a audio video delay unit. Yes, audio video delay unit, it's very common, but specialty of this device is it's not only control the audio and video, it's also can control the information associated with the video signal. You can manipulate also them. So it's a very nice product. So be tuned with our channel LIVEK Talk to see the video in my next episode, and please comment me how you like my video, so I get motivated. Thank you. LIVEK Talk.